integrated control system, adopted Japanese knock seals, reduced tubes installation, make the whole hydraulic system receive signal timely. The oil tube is durable, oil leakage resistance. The back cage adopts 4+1 axis structure. Applied Taiwan double linear guide and ball screw. With servo motor, smooth running, high precision, low noise, durable. The mold is made of 42 CR mold material, forging with integral heat treatment, hardness up to 46 to 48 degrees. Surface with precision grinding, highly polished, accuracy up to 0.02 mm. Other parts of the machine are equipped imported and domestic first-line brands, quality assurance.